Alright, I think I need me a can of spray paint. Now where is it? Hey everyone, so on this episode of Make It with Calvin, we're actually going to be doing a practical 3D printing project. This is my current spray can storage, and you can't tell, but it goes like 5 or 6 plus cans deep, and trying to tell what you have based on this just doesn't work, because it's hard to tell a can of clean metal primer from a can of old, rest in peace, Osh gray spray enamel from a can that doesn't even have a cap on it that's stone gray. So I'm not going to be taking all these spray cans here and putting them into an organizer, but the idea is the cans that I use the most, like rusty metal primer, or semi-gloss black, or, well, can't even find one. Here we go. Filler primer. They're all going to go into an organizer. So the cans that get used the most go in there, and then as they get used, they will get changed out and that sort of thing. Okay, so here we are in a corner of the set that normally never gets filmed, hence the wonderful lighting. But here is the final product in action. You'll notice I've only been able to print up 6 of these holders so far, but they're working really, really well. The nice thing is the fact that I can very easily see what cans I have, and as needed, depending upon what project is going on, I can change out the cans on an as needed basis. Pulling them in and out is super easy. And the other nice thing is the other night Jimmy was out here and goes, "Oh wow, that's your spray can holder," and tried it out and was really impressed with it as well. What I did is I made the inside of this have 2 hex nut openings for a 1/4 by 20 screw. You can get packs of screws really cheap over at the hardware store. And on the back side, I have what's called a fender washer, which is a much larger washer than a normal one, so it helps spread out the load against the pegboard material and makes it less likely to get damaged when you're pulling things in and out. Mounting this to your wall, or really whatever, is pretty simple because you have the 1-inch hole spacing on here, and this stuff is also relatively easy to cut. You can pretty much score and snap it and sand to fit and paint to match and all that good stuff. Now as for the actual holders, I am going to have a link in the description to where you can purchase the files for these. And I will also look into offering these as a 3D print, but do note because of their print time and because of the material they use, they will not be super cheap, but I'll have all those details down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you here next time on Make It with Calvin, where I've got some more organizational projects coming up because, well, let's face it, hunting around Amazon and Evil Bay wasn't exactly netting me the results that I wanted. So hey, if you can't find it, build it yourself. See you guys later.